How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you how you can unlock someone on Snapchat. So in order to unlock someone on Snapchat, first thing first, update your application and then log in into your Snapchat account. Now once you're logged into your account, it's going to take you to the home page. Here, go ahead and tap the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side. While you're on the profile page, click on the gear icon. So after you tap the gear icon, it's going to take you to the settings page. Scroll down right to the bottom, and right in between you'll be able to find an option as blocked. Go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you tap the blocked button, you'll be able to see a list of contacts that you've blocked on Snapchat. In order to unblock it, the procedure is very simple. All you have to do is tap the cross icon and make sure to confirm it by tapping the yes. And as soon as you've done that, the particular user has been unblocked on Snapchat. In this way, you can unblock someone on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.